Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Raspberry Pi controller for charger status monitoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the necessary materials for this project. You will need a Raspberry Pi, a micro SD card, a power supply, and an internet connection. Also, get a USB charger and a voltage sensor module. Start by flashing the Raspberry Pi operating system onto the micro SD card. Use a tool like Balena Etcher to write the image to the card. Insert the micro SD card into the Raspberry Pi. Connect the power supply and turn on the Raspberry Pi. Once it boots up, log in using the default credentials, typically username Pi and password Raspberry. Open a terminal window to begin the setup. Update the package lists by typing sudo apt-get update. Next, install necessary libraries by typing sudo apt-get install python 3 pia0 python 3 pip. Now, install the Flask library for web access with the command pip3 install Flask. Connect the voltage sensor to the Raspberry Pi GPIO pins. Follow the wiring diagram specific to your model for accurate connections. Make sure the voltage sensor's output pin is connected to one of the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi. Create a new Python script to handle the sensor data. Open a text editor and create a file named charger_monitor.py. Begin writing the script by importing the required libraries. Use the Flask framework to set up a simple web server. In the script, read the voltage values from the sensor. Process the readings to determine whether the charger is on or off. Make sure to store the status in a variable. Create a web route to display the current charger status. In the route, return the status information in JSON format. Save the file and return to the terminal. Run your Python script by typing python3 charger_monitor.py. Keep the terminal open while the script runs. Now, open a web browser on the same network as the Raspberry Pi. Type in the Raspberry Pi's IP address followed by the port number if necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.